Let me sit my stupid ass down. Bro, what am I doing?
If you start today, in 2 weeks you'll feel stronger. In 1 month you'll notice changes. In 2 months your family and friends will notice. In 3 to 4 months everyone will notice. In 5 to 6 months, everyone will ask how. Now imagine the 1-year mark. Go to the gym and they say you're obsessed. Don't go to the gym and they say you're skinny or fat. You eat bad food and they say you need to eat healthier. Eat healthier and they call you a health nut. You lift heavy and they call you an ego lifter. Lift light and they call you weak. You hide your physique and they say you're insecure. You show it confidently and they say you're showing off. Moral of the story is, people are going to talk smack about whatever you do in every circumstance. But you are in the arena with a sword in your hand. They are in the stands with a biscuit in theirs. Don't listen to their chatter.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की
Agradece la gota que derramó el vaso. Esa era la semilla de cambio que necesitabas.
Ahorita no se preocupe de ligar, ahorita preocúpese de desarrollarse, de crecer, de ser bien verga, de ponerse bien pinche mamado, de que tenga unos pinches brazotes acá. Desarrolle el cuerpo del guerrero.
Did you date him?
No, he's fat.
And that hurt, you know? And I think that flipped this switch in me where I was like, okay, fuck you, watch this.
Y'all trying to grow your biceps, man? I got a circuit for y'all. You want to start out with alternating curls doing 10 reps. Then you're going to go directly into these unison curls for 10 reps. Then you're going to do the same thing, but with hammer curls this time. So alternating hammer curls, 10 reps. Then you're going to do the unison hammer curls, 10 reps. Then you're going to end with some easy bar curls for 10 reps. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. Bet you go home and your girl notice your biceps, man.
Hey bro, can I use a bench after you?
No man, this guy is next.
Hey bro, can I go after you?
Nah, you got like 2 more people. You're gonna have to wait an hour at least.
Fine, whatever, I'll just go do dumbbell.
What? Where's all the dumbbells at?
Finally, open bench, let's go.
Excuse me? How many more sets do you have left?
I just got here, I've been waiting an hour.
Well, you should hurry up. I'm gonna time you.
I waited my turn, go wait yours now.
Whatever.
Look, I get being annoyed by weights dropping at the gym, but you're at a gym. It's gonna happen. And it's not like she's being stupid about it. She's doing an actual exercise on the platform. To go interrupt her while she's doing it is pretty ridiculous. And if it bothers you that much, just use that extra annoyance to lift more weight. Make her your gym rival in your head or something. It's actually pretty fun.
The whole gym wanted to lift up my 740 deadlift.
make my heart, you make my heart, you make my heart, you make my heart, make my heart, you make my heart.
You don't need to lose any weight. You're kidding, right? You look great. Very fit.
You can always be thinner. Look better.
You got this. Let's go! Keep it coming! Keep me coming!
Doesn't make sense in my mind. Why wouldn't you want to try to go as hard as you could on every set that you do, every chance you get? It's not really freaking often where I think about leaving something in the tank and have that be a positive scenario. And if you ever do a set like that where it's not like you're totally pushing it to the max, at least make sure you definitely push it, you know? You know when you did a hard set. You know if you push yourself hard, and you should be able to catch yourself if you're not pushing yourself up to that expectation. The lame lifter will at least be able to catch himself and say, what the heck was that? And then go harder for the rest of the lift. The last thing you want to do is do a BS lift, have a crappy pump, probably be in a crappy mood.
Clearly, if you've been doing the same thing for a considerable amount of time and with a considerable amount of discipline, if you've actually been doing a legit routine for months and you've been going hard and you're not seeing the results that you want, this is not a roast, but you just kind of have to, make some adjustments.
अरे खुद बनाऊं खुद बिगाड़ूं मेरी जिंदगी
T-shirt Billy Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I. Eu gosto de dotado. in this bitch.
You can overhead press 1 plate, bench press 2 plates, squat 3 plates, and deadlift 4 plates, you've earned your membership.
Let me sit my stupid ass down. Bro, what am I doing?
This girl is having a full-blown O while working out, and this is my open application to become her gym buddy because, girl, you need to teach me your ways. You guys, this is the actual thing. These are called exercise-induced orgasms, and they are not as common, but it is a thing. How this works: apparently there's nerves in your core that connects with your pelvis, that then connects with your clitoris. Yeah, the human body. You learn something new every day. Exercises that involves your core and your pelvis may trigger these O's. She's doing some pull-ups here, and I think that they are an intense workout, which makes sense. But girl, we need a tutorial.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
All of the Barbies is pretty.
Damn. This woman is incredible. Wow. She's a male. I mean, that's me assuming she's got kids, but like, wow.
Back it up.
Hey, excuse me, miss. How you doing? Oh my gosh, I got you. I am so.
It's okay.
I am so sorry. My name is Paul. I'm a clothing brand Be Active. We're just going to bodybuilders and people in the gym, see if they want to rock a new t-shirt. We only have like smalls and mediums left, and I wanted to market out to women and short kings like me, and was curious to see if you'd want to rock one.
Yeah, I appreciate it, but I'm not interested in buying anything.
No, don't worry about it. I apologize for that. That was my bad.
Totally okay.
I'll hook you up. All you gotta do is try it on and hook you up for free.
Okay, yeah,
Perfect.
I guess.
Perfect. I'll get it for you real fast, and I'll be right back, okay? Hey, so what do you think?
I really like it, honestly. It's a really great material.
Awesome. You think it's it looks like a little too big, you think?
No, because I always tuck my shirts on leg days.
Oh, that's the style.
Yeah, no, I love it.
Heck yeah. Well, thank you so much. I'm so sorry. Like,
oh, no, again.
I feel super bad. It's on the house. Thank you so much. What was your name?
Sydney.
Paul, nice to meet you. Have a great one, okay?
You too.
A new emotion. Wow.